Wade and Wade reacts.
We got a request to react to another Thunderbolt Fantasy clip. Let's get into it. Dang. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody interfered. Yeah, he definitely is. Dang. I don't remember any of the other fight scenes being this quick, as far as how fast the cameras are cutting.
Should be sped up for copyright reasons.
Dang. What?
Blew his headpiece off. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, okay. Dang. Yeah, he did. They did the right thing. Shout out to the subscriber that asked us to check this out. I think this is the last Thunderbolt Fantasy request we have, or one of the last. I think the other one they asked us to do the openings. So this is the last one. So if you guys want to see any more Thunderbolt Fantasy on this channel, put some requests down in the comments. The thing that gets me about Thunderbolt Fantasy is that it's hard to believe that it's puppet work, because a lot of the upper body movements, yeah, you can see that it's puppet work, but the leg movements, that's what I always like, dang, how did they do that? Especially when you have a lot of other things that are similar to this when it comes to puppetry, but it doesn't move as smoothly as this does.
Yeah, this might be the best puppet work I've ever seen. You even forget that it's puppet work until you see the characters close up because of the fluidity in the movements, like he said. Also, I want to point out the costume designs for the puppets are crazy. That guy who got defeated toward the end of this clip, he had the crown on, he had those iridescent pearl boots. I mean, this was insane. And then the choreography is always top notch, super unique. I've never seen any choreography similar to this. Matter of fact, I have. It's in Chinese opera style choreography, but they take it to the next level. That does it for our reaction to this subscriber request. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss a video from Wade and Wade Reacts. Peace.